With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question here is, a college math professor informs the students that rather than curving final grades, she will replace each student's lowest test score with the next lowest test score and then re-average the rest grades. If Leeza has test scores of 86, 92, 81, 64 and 83, by how many points does a final test average change based on the professor's policy? Right. So first what I'll do is I'll arrange these test scores in ascending order. So we have 81, 83, 86. Oh, we'll start with 64. 64, 81, 83, 86 and 92. So now her previous average would have been 64 plus 81 plus 83 plus 86 plus 92 divided by 5, which is equal to 406 by 5, which is equal to 81.2. Right. So this is what her score would have been if not for the professor's policy. And with the professor's policy, what happens is her lowest score, which is 64, is replaced by her second lowest score, which is 81. So now her scores become 81, 81, 83, 86 and 92. So her new average is 81 plus 81 plus 83 plus 86 plus 92 whole divided by 5, which is equal to 423 by 5, which is equal to 84.6. Right. So with the professor's policy, her score changed by 84.6 minus 81.2, which is equal to a total of 3.4 points. Right. So this is the change. Therefore, the final answer is 3.4.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.